Hola! ¿Cómo está? And
what's up, Bladers? In today's video, we're going to be unboxing
Beyblade vs. Surge Speedstorm Stadium.
Alright guys, let's get into this goodies here.
Yes, this new stadium we're pretty psyched with having. We just got it, so can't wait to play on this stadium. And
the stadiums are always fun. They always put out a lot, so it's nice that they keep it flowing with the stadiums. I can't wait to see what these bays look like. We got a couple of the Speedstorms so far. They're interesting.
They're different. They're not from the anime, which is kind of cool. Like HASBRO is completely
they have those
made.
exclusives.
Yeah, they're exclusive bays, and I can't be mad at that, but I can be mad at the name. I was kidding.
Your typical HASBRO instruction manual guide.
Your typical. No, this isn't typical actually, so I'm just gonna.
Okay. Almost like if you leave the legs off, you get that.
Oh, these Beyblades.
If you leave the legs off, you get that what was that? The metal fight
yeah,
series. Yeah,
what's it called? Shogun Steel, where they have that stadium. Cut to that.
Here we go, it's a new wave. This is Beyblade. Pure heart, strong mind, they will never fade. The one and only Beyblade.
Might actually have to use that.
Yeah, as a battle.
Might have to do that.
One of the sickest theme songs you'll ever hear. But here's the stadium we have. These are the two bays. We'll show you the other bays too, how they compare to the originals. But these are the two.
Stick them out.
Yeah, let's stick them out.
Get them
this
out.
little camera magic. We're gonna. Oh, we're not gonna do the camera magic.
Yeah, no, let's do the camera. Oh, actually, let's do camera magic. Oh,
I like a do
here's
like
all
the
this.
up to the deep
And there we go.
Oh,
So,
I love the camera magic.
So not King Helios, but Colossal Helios and Super Hyperion. New launchers.
Pretty sick.
Not bad,
Can't
not
catch
bad.
your
As
hand
far-
on this.
As far as the HASBRO launchers go, decent little grip, not bad. I mean, I like it. Definitely better than some of the other ones that they've had in the series.
Is this a left spinning like the? What is that?
I would hope so.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it is. Oh wow. Okay.
I mean,
yeah.
they don't mess that much up. The arena, decent size. You got the two little divots here for some speed up action, build up, come in and swoop down and hit your opponent. Both sides, decent sized bowl in the middle. I like this because now we have something to take the sparking bays in that's a little more designed for them, seeing as how the tips are not quite the same, but on the same idea and thought train. So
it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. The little circles are what I'm really excited for because it's like just like in the anime where they build up speed. I hope they actually do it in this stadium. We probably won't get a lot of them, but we'll see a couple try to build up and come back in.
Yeah, we're gonna break this in, give you guys a few battles, and we'll see you later.
so much fun. We had a great time using the slopes, and we can't wait to use it in our future videos.
Absolutely. I mean, adding more bays to the bay locker is always a welcome achievement for us. So, till next time, guys, don't forget to leave us a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And also, go check out our old videos, because we have a lot of good stuff that we just released, and a lot more to come to the future.
Next time, guys.
So until next time, guys, 3, 2, 1,
Go shoot!